channel. I'm Tiffany. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. This one's going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be a makeup video, and it's not going to be a hair video. It's not going to be a brand or influencer video, but instead it's going to be a how-to video in the sense of applying lashes. So for those of you who are afraid to apply those false lashes, those fake lashes, this video is for you. Now, mind you, it took me a while before I was good at putting false lashes on as well, but I guarantee once you practice, it's going to make perfect and you'll be able to do it without even thinking about it. So if you want to see this video, then you'll just have to keep watching. Okay, so fake lashes or false lashes, they're all the same, right? There's many different variations, so many different types. You have individuals, you have lash extensions, and then you have the false strip lashes. And that's what I'm going to be demonstrating today. So being a makeup artist, that's something that a lot of my clients ask for. They want the false lashes because I don't blame them. It gives a very dramatic look. It enhances your look, and I don't know, I think when you have lashes on, you just feel more confident. So I guess I can't say that because I've noticed that every time I do a photo shoot for my blog or, you know, for an event or whatever, I always take the time out to put a pair of lashes on. It just really enhances my look, and it definitely makes me feel a lot more confident for some reason. I don't know why lashes do that to us, but it does. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can apply fake lashes. There's a couple of things that I like to use, and these are just what I like to use. So if there's another method that you enjoy, then please, you know, go ahead and use that method. So as far as products, number one, you have to have lashes. And today I'm going to be using these lashes. These are the Demi Wispies, and they are by Ardell. And I'm also using the Dark Adhesive or Dark Tone Duo Lash Adhesive Glue. I also have a pair of tweezers because I like to get them very close to the lash line to where they look more natural. So one thing that most people don't know is that with these, I'm going to fold this down real quick. When the lashes come on this plastic piece here, there's a method to it. So you see how it rounds down and curves out? You can just take your finger and you just pull it down. You'll take it. See if I can get it to do it. If I can focus here. Focus, focus. Let's see. So you just pull them down like this. This way you don't tear your lash and it's easier to come off. So once you have the lash removed, being that I know that these lashes are going to fit the width of my eyelid, I'm not going to need to cut them. But there are some cases if the lash is too long for you, you want to make sure you take a pair of scissors, a little small scissors, and just trim them to your size. So when you pull them off, you'll notice they already have like a little bit of sticky adhesive on them. In order to measure them, you can just lay them on top of your lashes and just see if they're going to be a little too long, and you can just trim where you need to trim. So I'm going to zoom the camera in so you can get a closer look at how we're going to do this today. Ooh, we are close now. Okay, so now that we have the lash off, now another tip. This is just a tip that I normally do to make this process easier. Go ahead and apply your mascara and your eyeliner if you would like to. So for me, I already have my eyeliner applied. I've already put my mascara on, and lashes are normally like the last step. So now that I have my lash in my hand, I'm going to take the Duo adhesive and I'm going to apply it to the lash band. And the band is that part that's right at the top where you're going to lay it against your lashes. Right here is your, well, here we go. This is the lash band, this part right here. So we're just going to apply the glue to that. Okay? Wait, let me make sure it's working, girl. Let me make sure it's working. Sometimes it can get stuck in there. So I'm going to take that and I'm just going to apply it to the band. Get it on there really good if it comes on out here. Okay, the glue is now on the band. You see it is gray. Let me see if I can hold this a different way. There we go. See, it's gray. It's on the band. And what you need to do, once this glue is applied, what I like to do is go ahead and glue both of my lashes. So I'll take the other one off the package and I lay this one to the side while it's drying, and I'll explain that process in a second. So I'm just pulling these lashes off of here. Trying not to show y'all my messy little, just pulling them down, getting that adhesive off of them, being gentle with it. And see, they're just going to come right on off when you pull them down. See? There it is. There we go. I'll go ahead and apply glue to this lash. Get that on there really close. Now there's other methods of doing this. Don't get me wrong. This is just what works for me. So what I have found to work for me. Okay, so one thing you don't want to do, for my aspiring makeup artists out there, one thing you don't want to do when you're putting lashes on a client, do not blow on the lash. Why? Because you don't want your germs from your mouth to get on the lash that you're going to apply to somebody else's eyelid. Now, if you don't care about your own eyeballs, then you could go ahead and blow on this glue and put it up there. But what I like to do is I take the lash, I'll just fan it, do a little dance, fan it, and it's going to get tacky. When that glue turns from light gray to a darker shade of gray, that's when you know the glue is tacky enough to adhere to the lash or adhere to your eyelid. So then you take your tweezers, or if you have a lash, you know, they have the little lash things that come in the packs. If you have one of those, you can use those as well. So then what you do is you take that. I'm going to open up a compact to make this a little bit easier for you guys to see how I go about doing this. Now that the glue is tacky, we're going to apply it to the eyelid. And a rule of thumb here too. A rule of thumb here is to make sure you look down when you apply the lash. Try to look down like you're looking down into the mirror. You look down. And when you look down, you're able to apply the lash. So you just take it. And I like to kind of tilt it back a little bit, stick it there in the middle with the tweezers, and move away. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this in here, put it right there, bring it over here, pull it down, stick it right there. Just get it up there as close as we possibly can. The reason why I like doing the tweezers is because I can move the lash around. See, so now just make sure the end is done there. Okay, first lash is on. It is secured on there, if you can see that. And see how it helps when you already aligned your lash line, then that way you don't have to worry about liner. But if you want to make it more dramatic, you could always go back and reline. Or if the glue slips around a little bit and messes up, you can take your eyeliner, just correct that relatively quickly. If you also want to make sure that your lashes are blended, you can go back in and apply more mascara underneath it. You can just take it like that, just apply, just to blend those on in with the falsies. And we're going to move on to the next lash. It is good and dry now, and we're just going to go ahead and apply that one. So we're just going to take it, and we're going to drop it right there on that lash. Stick it there in the middle. And because I was pulling on it, it's a little sticky there. Sit there right there. Sometimes you got to fight with them, but take your time and be patient. But you can get them on there. Once they're sticky, it's all about placement at that point. Placement. And then you can take your mirror and just kind of look down into the mirror that you have and just make sure it's stuck. And I'll see here on the end, it wasn't quite stuck there. So I'm going to raise it up, twist it, and just press it right onto my eyelid. Checking those. That one's good. Good. It's in there. It's on there. There we go. And you can go back and just press and make sure that they're on. There's going to come a day I'm not going to need the tweezers, but I'm comfortable with that. I've seen girls just pop them on with their fingers. I'm just not that savvy yet. Although I practice a lot, it's just what I'm comfortable with and what I like. And that's it. It's relatively simple but difficult. And I'm going to go ahead and just blend these right on in. I'm liking how they're looking and feeling. And I may apply some more eyeliner, but until then, I guess not. I really like the way they turned out though. See? You can see a difference. Versus no lashes. They just really just, I don't know, make you feel more confident when you're wearing lashes. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this very brief how to apply or put on fake lashes video today. If you want to see more of these little tips and tricks about the things that I do, because a lot of times I may take for granted that you may already know how to do it and I don't take the time to break those steps out for you. So I wanted to do that today in this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a future upload. As always, you guys, thanks so much for tuning into the video, and we will see each other in the next one. Bye.